Biotronix Pneumatic Shockwave. Let me show you parameters of the same. Once you switch on the machine, you need the option of putting a password default, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6. When you enter press six times the same 0, it will enter into the main screen. You will get the following functions here: elbow, knee, shoulder, hip, ED, and pubic symphysis, hand, wrist, lumbar region, foot, and fat accumulation. This is the basic operation. Now you can select any of the parameter like knee. Here you can set the settings up to 10 bars. You can adjust it in the interval of 0.05. Up to 10 it will go. The old model was having the parameter till 8 bars energy. Frequency you can select accordingly. Then you can press the pre-selection time, and then you need to press the start button. Once you press the start button and the start button in the handle, then it will start working. It's a very good machine. Machine is having a compression, pneumatic compression inside, so that is putting the structure. You have these attachments to change. This is gel. These are the various attachments. These are the spare bullets that comes with the machine. And these are the cleaning, like to clean the handle from inside. These are the tools which are provided by the company. These are the rubber attachments in case of any maintenance in future. The main code, and all the handles comes in a different suitcase. So this kind of packing is separate for the suitcase. This is something different. Previously we were having a simple box, but this is the new thing which we have got, and this is the master packing of the same shockwave. So easy transport, you can easily go through transport.